So here's a question for you. Have you ever wondered how much 230 Solana tokens might be worth by the end of the 2025 bull run? Well, if you've been eyeing up the crypto market lately, this question has probably crossed your mind. And let's be honest, with all the excitement around Solana, it's a good time to dive deep and speculate on what the future holds. In today's video, we're going to break down the unique aspects of Solana that kind of sets it apart from the crowd, explore some of its promising projects and partnerships, and get a glimpse into the potential price predictions. But don't worry guys, we're keeping it conversational and easy to understand, so grab a coffee or your favorite crypto snacks and let's get started. Alright, before we start getting crazy with numbers, let's actually get a solid understanding of what Solana actually is. Solana is a high performance blockchain platform that's making waves in the crypto space. Think of it as a speedy sports car of the blockchain world. It's known for its high transaction speeds and on-chain programming development, which sets it apart from other major players like Ethereum. Now, why does all of this matter? Well, blockchain technology often faces issues like slow transaction times and high fees. Solana solves these problems with its proof of history combined with proof of stake consensus mechanisms. Now, it's like having the best of both worlds, giving us fast and secure transactions without compromising decentralization. Solana is positioning itself as a powerhouse in the blockchain industry by addressing common issues like slow speeds and scalability challenges. With its unique technology, it has the potential to increase adoption, and that's a big factor for determining future price values. Now, let's talk about what's really driving the hype behind Solana. We could, of course, dive into meme coins. We could talk about various things that are happening right here and now, but we want to get more into the fundamentals, some of the solid projects that are building rather than meme coins that are created just for fun. First up, we have Raydium, a major player in the decentralized exchange DEX space. Raydium is built on Solana, and it's designed to offer faster trades, lower fees, and increased liquidity compared to traditional exchanges. If you've ever been frustrated by the sluggish speeds of some DEX platforms, well, Raydium aims to fix just that. Traditional DEXs like Uniswap often struggle with slow transaction speeds and high fees due to congestion on their retrospective networks. Raydium leverages Solana's fast processing capabilities, solving and kind of evolving with the times, basically getting rid of a lot of those pain points and offering a much smoother user experience. The success of Raydium showcases Solana's strengths in the DEX market, proving that its technology can handle high demand. And this kind of project adoption is exactly what could drive the price of Solana even higher in the future. Next, let's look at Larex, a project focused on decentralized finance, DeFi, specifically lending and borrowing. Larex is one of the top DeFi platforms on Solana, allowing users to borrow against their crypto assets without needing a traditional bank. It's like having a digital pawn shop right there in your crypto wallet. The issue with many DeFi platforms is that they often suffer with high fees and network congestion. Larex takes advantage of Solana's scalability to offer lower fees and faster transactions, making borrowing and lending more efficient. By leveraging Solana's technology, Larex is tapping into the DeFi market, which is one of the fastest growing areas in the blockchain space. This not only increases Solana's utility, but also enhances its overall value proposition. Now, it wouldn't be fair to only talk about the good stuff without addressing some of the challenges, right? So let's dive into some of the potential roadblocks that Solana might face. One of the biggest hurdles for Solana is competition, right? Ethereum, with its upcoming upgrades, and newer blockchains like, 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗠𝗘, Aptos, and Avalanche are fierce rivals. Each of these projects is aiming to solve similar problems, which could impact Solana's market share. And then there's the looming, specter of regulation. This is governments around the world that are starting to take a closer look at crypto, and tighter regulations could potentially slow down adoption. These challenges and the challenge of kind of trying to maintain and stay competitive while navigating unpredictable landscapes of crypto regulations If Solana can't differentiate itself or adapt quickly, it could potentially lose steam. So there are some clear issues. Now, while Solana has great tech and strong projects, it's not immune to market pressures. The outcome of these challenges will play a big role in determining just how high, I guess, that price can actually go in the coming years. So I guess that leads us on to price predictions. All right, so market movement. We've all been waiting for it, right? Been what feels like years, and let's speculate a little bit about the potential price of Solana. If we take a look at the current trends, experts are divided into two camps. There's the optimistic people, and then there's the cautious realists. Okay, so we're going to start with the optimistic folk. So in an optimistic scenario, assuming Solana continues its current trajectory and sees continuous adoption, we might see more projects like Raydium and 𝗲𝗏 driving this ecosystem. We could easily see a 3 to 5x increase from its current price by the end of 2025's bullish market. This would put the value of 230 Solana tokens anywhere between $150,000 and $250,000. Now, it's good to kind of get the bullish ideas. It's also good to be a little bit realistic. On the flip side, if competition heats up or we face regulatory hurdles that really kind of hinders the adoption and growth might be slower overall, in a kind of more conservative case, we might only see 1.5x or 2x increase, putting the value of your 230 Solana tokens at around $75,000 to $100,000 by the end of the 2025 bullish market. Now, of course, these price predictions are just educated guesses, but by looking at Solana's projects, partnerships, and challenges, we can get a good idea of what to expect. Whether you're a holder or a trader, it's always kind of smart to stay informed and be prepared for whatever the market throws at you. So there you have it, right? Solana has a lot going for it, from innovative features like on-chain programming development and high transaction speeds to major projects like Raydium and 𝗲𝗏 that showcase its potential. But it's also facing competition from Aptos, 𝗬, and Cardano, for example, and other layer ones. Avalanche is another example, Algorand, 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏. The list kind of goes on and on. There's a lot of competition out there. And of course, regulatory uncertainties that could also shape its future. The question now is, what do you think? Could 230 Solana be worth a small fortune by the end of 2025's bullish market? Or will the market surprise us all and keep us all guessing as to where the future is going? Drop your predictions in the comments down below, or join us in our free Discord server and we can continue the conversation down there. And guys, if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto insights. And if you guys haven't done so already, check that video out right there. It's not one that you want to miss.